Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Continuing on the theme of wildlife photography during coronavirus lockdown, today I'm in search of kookaburras. Now I'm quite fortunate that where I live, very close to the Yarra, there's a couple of different groups of kookaburras. They should be relatively easy to locate because they live in family groups and they're fiercely territorial, so they're quite easy to predict where they're actually going to be. So we'll head off and see if we can locate them. Okay, so I'm just set up underneath a gum tree here where the kookaburras are using a nest hollow. I won't be able to see the babies because they're deep in the hollow obviously, but the parents are coming back intermittently to feed the babies, and occasionally I can hear the babies calling out. So hopefully with a bit of luck I get some footage of the parents coming in and out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that kookaburra footage. Not all of it is all that dynamic, but that's fairly typical of kookaburra behaviour, where they'll just find a perch, sit there for hours waiting for something to come underneath and then swoop down and grab it. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you back on the channel again very soon.